Murthy, good evening. Thank you. Am I audible? Ishwar Reddy, am I audible? Devanshika.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Actually, this batch was already started on Tuesday, but due to lesson count, today I'm going to restart the class again, right? Sorry for that. I will tell you from scratch. Right. Now, my dear friends, my name is M.C.P. Saheb. I can teach C, C++, data structures, Java, Python, Advanced Java, Advanced Python programming languages. I can teach very well. I have 22 plus years of teaching experience. This class duration is only 45 days. Within the 45 days, you can complete the C language. Working days, Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday, 2 days are holidays. Only 5 days a week. Today I'm going to start the class. So today is 17/7/2023. It is the batch start date. Now the timings are 8 to 9. Timings 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. My dear friends, first of all, I am going to explain you what is the so many programming languages in the world. One of the popular high-level programming language is BCPL. The meaning of BCPL is Basic Combined Programming Language. Martin Richard is the developer. Martin Richard. After BCPL, one more programming language was developed. Its name is just B. B is the next language. So BCPL led to B. It was developed by Ken Thompson. Ken Thompson is the developer of B. Actually, the languages BCPL and B, these two are called typeless programming languages. Means there are no data types in BCPL and B. There is no types in data. So BCPL and B are typeless programming languages. Means these two languages does not support data types. From B, one more programming language was developed and named it as C. So B led it to C. From B, we developed new programming language C. It was developed by Dennis Ritchie. He is the developer of C. Dennis Ritchie. In the year of 1972. At a laboratory, its name is called AT&T. Bell Laboratory. Bell Laboratory. On a computer which is having Unix operating system, Unix machine. It is the C. BCPL B, these two are typeless, no. In C, we introduced data types. So C is a typed programming language. Means, what is the meaning of this? Means it supports data types. It supports data types. It is about the history of C language. History of C language. Right?
Sir?
Ma.
Sir, excuse me, sir. I have been attending the classes since 5 days. Is this the same class continuing, sir?
Yes. Okay. For the beginning, I told you, Pujita.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay. Yes, sir.
Pujita, actually, in this batch, only 8 members paid. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. That's why I confused whether I have joined the another meeting or something like that.
Now you are joined in same meeting, but it is that class. From today, I am going to repeat from the scratch, right? Okay.
Okay, sir. No problems. Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. Right. My dear friends, note on this. Today, at the end of the session, the students, those paid, I will take the phone numbers from you, WhatsApp numbers. I will create a WhatsApp group for you. From tomorrow onwards, I will send this material to you every day. Right? My dear friends, note on this history. First 4 or 5 days, you need to note on this. From 5th day onwards, you need not to note on this. I will send this material every day to you to it WhatsApp group, right? So then you need not to write every day. You can write your relaxed time. Girish, is it okay to you? Momin?
Yes, sir. I'm okay.
Good. Nanapati Sakib. Rishita, is it clear? Prashant? Sriraj? Vaishnav?
Sir, your voice is not coming.
What about others? Devanshika? Am I audible or not audible?
Sir, you're audible, sir.
My dear friends, do one thing. Those not audible, rejoin to the class.
Audible, sir.
Not audible.
Audible, sir.
Okay, good. Those are not audible. Please rejoin. Rejoin the class. That's it. Okay, good. So, can I go to next topic?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. The next topic is how to write a sample C program. How we need to write a sample C program. My dear friends, first of all, every C program must begin with a hash include angular bracket, less than, greater than. These two are called angular brackets. Within that, we need to write stdio.h. After that, we need to write void main. Here we need to write the code that is called processing statements. So curly bracket. It is the sample C program. This line, it is called as include statement. Include statement. It is also called as preprocessor directive. It is called as include statement. It is also called as preprocessor directive. This is called main method. It is called processing statements. In any C program, we will have these three types of statements: 1, 2, and 3. So, in any C program, we will have three types of statements. One is include statements. Second one is main method. Third one is processing statements. Now, first of all, what is the meaning of this one? Why we need to write this one? We have to understand that. So, learning the language is nothing but identify each and every symbol. You should know what is the use of each and every letter in this. So, first I am going to explain you why we need to use include statements. My dear friends, if you want to construct a house, then you require some bricks, you require cement, you require steel, iron, you require electrical items. These are created by you? No. We simply purchase it from market. We will construct a house. In the same manner, to build your application, you need lot of tools. Those tools are already developed by the developers of C language and kept in some files. That file is called stdio.h. It is a file name which contains a lot of tools. Those are used to build your application easily. To copy the code in this file, we have to use #include. By using the command #include, you can copy the content of this file into your program. Then you can use those tools. Is it clear? So, what is the use of include statement? It is to copy the content of file stdio.h file into our program. To copy the content of stdio.h into our program. We have to write this line as a first statement. So it is the first statement. It is the first statement in any C program. In any program. It always begins with this symbol, #. So it always begins with #. This is called a # symbol. # symbol. It is also called as preprocessor directive. So it is also called as preprocessor directive. What is the meaning of preprocessor? We have to understand that. My dear friends, here I write the program, sample program. It is in English, am I right? But computer cannot understand English. You are writing the program in English, but computer cannot understand English. Then what to do? Then whatever you are writing in English, it should be converted into machine language. That process is called as compilation. What is that? Compilation means converting the code from English to machine language. After compilation, the program you write, that is in machine language, so machine can understand and machine can execute. That execution is called as running. Compilation and running. The line which begins with # symbol it will be executed at the time of compilation. Remaining total program will be executed at the time of running. So this line is executing before the running. So it is called pre-processor. In 10th class, you will write a pre-final examination. What is the meaning of pre-final? Before final, we write one examination that is called pre-final. Before running, it is executing, so it is called pre-processor. So it will be executed at compile time. At the time of compilation, it will be executed. So it is called pre-processor. Pre-processor. Why it is called directive means we are writing the program in English. We are converting to machine language. This process is called as compilation. Who will do the compilation? By a special software. That software name is called compiler. So it gives direction to compiler. So it is called directive. It gives direction to compiler. So it is called directive. So this is about the include statements. My dear friends, note down from here.
Sir, shall you repeat first point?
Right. So, my dear friends, if you want to do a function at your home, you require some benches. Am I right? Some benches you require. You require some chains you require. You require some tent you require. To do a function, all these items you require. Are you purchase all these items or are you bring from tent house? There is a tent house. We need to bring them from the tent house. Am I right? Who asked the question? Please respond.
Yes, my Elias.
Yes,
My name is
Ilyas. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. This tent house is nothing but stdio.h in our computer. stdio.h. To build your application, you need some tools. Those are already developed and kept in this header file.
Yes.
To copy the content of this header file, we are using this statement.
Yes, sir.
What is there in this line? This file,
Yes.
it will be copied into your program. That is the first point.
Long form standard input output dot h.
Yes, yes. stdio.h means standard input and output.h.
Yes.
Header
Yes,
file.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Good, good. Right. Note down, my dear friends. My dear friends, all of you listen. Learning the C language, it is very, very important. It is very, very important programming language. If you learn C language very well, then Java, Python, other all programming languages, you can understand very well. Otherwise, it is difficult to understand other languages. So,
Sir, I have one question on there.
uh,
Sir, here you have mentioned stdio.h. Like that, we have to do some kind of a math.h for mathematical.
I
For
will
respect
explain.
to
I will
processor.
explain later. Whenever you need to use them, I will introduce them. Okay.
Okay, sir. Fine.
Sure, sure. I will introduce them.
Okay.
It is common header.
Hello. Hello.
Ma
Yes.
Praveen Kumar, tell me.
Sir, I have a question. Sir, I want say that, sir, you have only covered theory as well as question practice.
Yes, yes. It is only question practice. Why? Because it is a programming language, you know. Only theory
Okay.
part means you won't get any knowledge, right?
Okay, sir.
I will explain you more than 300, 400 programs here. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, because sir, I am from Uttar Pradesh. So here, sir, here teacher is study only one theory, not to explain programming concept, but only normal.
I will explain. I will
programming.
explain. Praveen Kumar, I will explain you. No problem at all. Why? Because actually it is the practical orientation programming language. It is not
Okay,
just
sir.
a theory subject, just like as physics and chemistry, right?
Okay, sir.
I
Thank
will
you, sir.
explain you lot of programs.
Sure.
Okay. My sincere advice is don't leave the class with doubt. Only that advice I can give. Why? Because It is very, very important subject. You should not leave the class with doubts. Whenever you got doubt, don't hesitate to ask me, right? I am here to clear your doubts.
Sir, this course is certified course, sir.
Oh, I don't know, Elias. Oh, you better to ask to DURGASOFT
To whom?
pupils. Why? Because
Yes, sir.
for 1,000 rupees they cannot give certification. I think.
No, I am just asking for because
I
Okay,
don't
okay,
I don't know. It is the first time you are asking that question, right? I am just
okay,
a
sir.
presenter. I am sitting at remote location. I am sitting in Nasrapeta. I am taking the class. Right?
Okay, sir. Fine, sir.
Good, good. This is the Google Pay or 4Pay number 9297972727. Right?
Okay,
Actually, the course fees is 2,000, but now it was reduced to only 1,000 rupees. Okay, they are charging only 1,000 rupees. It is very, very good opportunity to learn C language very well, right? So it is the Google Pay number or 4Pay number 9297972727.
okay, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Now, Murthy sir, ask me.
Sir, can we use the same header file? I mean, hash include stu.h for all the programs?
It is general header file which is used in all the programs. Why? Because in all the programs we will use printf and scanf functions in general.
Okay, okay.
Okay, for that we need to include it. Am I right? Right.
Okay.
So you have to
So-
include in all the programs. It is mandatory. That's why I told you it is the first executable statement. It is the first statement in any C program.
Okay,
So
okay.
you have to begin the program with the hash include. Yesterday about that.
Okay, okay.
Can I scroll down?
Okay, sir. Okay, okay.
Sir,
Ma-
in any program we have to write includes to do.
Yes, yes. In all the programs you have to write. Hash include stdio.h is the first line. It is just like as home. Somebody start all the writing with home, no? Like that. My dear friends, can I scroll down?
Okay, sir. Copied.
Good, good, good. If completed, please tell me. Then I can go to the next point. Sir, how to download the editor? Actually, it is the software related, hardware related question. Okay. There are so many softwares are available to practice the C language. Without downloading any software also, you can practice. I will explain you later, right? Vaishnav. Which software you need to install, right? Without installing any software, how to compile the C program, how to run this program. I will explain you. If completed, please tell me. I will go to the next topic.
Yes, sir. Copied. Next.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Right. Next topic is main method. Am I right? It is also called as main function. Both the names you can use. Method or function, both are same words. Main method or main function, both are same. Right. Suppose I write So many lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. I write 1 lakh lines of code. From these 1 lakh lines of code, the program always start from one point, no? That point is called main method. It means it is the first executable statement. Your program always execution begins from main. Your program always start execution from main only. So what is the first point? It is the first executable statement. It is the first executable statement. It is very, very important. That is called, it is core. It is core. It is very, very important. It is compulsory. Without main method, you cannot run your program. So it is mandatory. What is the meaning of mandatory? Mandatory means compulsory.
Compulsory.
It is very, very important. So can I use 2 main methods? No, not possible. So already I used void main. Once again, I am using void main. It is not possible. So it cannot be duplicated. You can write only 1 main method in 1 program. So it is not duplicated. So main method you can write in 6 models. It has 6 models. In 6 models, you can use main method. The first model is you can write just main. Now also it works. Or you can write int main also. Now also you can works. Here you can write main or int main or void main. Okay, 6 models are there. Anyone you can use. Void main also you can write. Then also it works. Now main of void, then also it works. Integer main of void, then also it works. Void main of void, then also it works. So in our home, for brightness, we have bulb, we have tube lights, we have LED bulb, we have LED lights. So there are so many lights, no? In the same manner, a main function can be write in these these 6 models. Any 1 model you can use. Okay, I am using this model. You can use this model, or you can use this model. Any 1 model you can use, right? This is about the main method. The body inside the main method you have to develop. You have to write your program. You have to write your code. So it is called a user-defined function. It is not the system-defined. It is called user-defined function. The main method is a user-defined function. It is a user-defined function. Right. My dear friends, note on this. What is main method? Note on.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes,
These are 6 models are there, no, sir?
yes, yes.
Then what is the difference of int, void, main, like that, the different types of models?
Okay. We have one unit that is called functions. Okay.
Yes. Yes,
In
sir.
functions topic, you can understand what is the difference between all these.
Okay,
Right?
okay, sir. Okay,
So
okay,
it
sir.
means I will tell you for you. It means it is as same as integer main. If you don't mention any data type, then computer feels it is integer.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, both are same. This one and this one both are same.
Okay, sir.
So void indicates it doesn't return any value. What is the meaning of returning? What is the meaning of non-returning? Okay, I will explain you in this concept.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Very good. No.
Okay, sir.
Just
Sir,
for today,
Sir.
you remember only one thing. We have 6 models.
sir,
Pujit
is
asked,
main function predefined or user defined, sir? Main function?
predefined. It is not predefined. User defined. How to say
Okay.
that? Okay. Who developed this code? Who need to write this code? You are computer.
Yes.
You need to write the code now.
Yes, sir.
We need to. We means user. Right?
Yes, sir.
It is called user defined. Printf, scanf, those are predefined, system defined. Clear?
Okay. Yes, sir.
It is the user defined function, not system defined function.
Okay, sir.
Sir, how can I see this video again?
How can you?
See this video.
Okay. This video, recording video. Okay.
Yes.
Once you pay the money, they will send all the recordings.
Okay.
Okay, they will send all these recording sessions will be stored in one Google Drive. They will give one permission to you. Then you can listen all the recordings after pay the fee. Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
This material I will send you every day. No problem. Every day class recording also you will get. Material also you will get. Can I scroll down? My dear friends, after completion of writing, please tell me.
Completed, sir.
Okay, Girish, thank you. Now, I explained you what is this. I explained you what is this main method. Now, what about this? What is the processing statement means? To do a task, to get the result, there will be a proper procedure. First, what to do, then what to do, then what to do, then what to do. There will be a procedure for any task. This procedure indicates you three things. One is what to do. What to do. Second one is when to do. Third one is how to do. To solve a problem, what you have to do, when you have to do, how you have to do. The steps those explains these three are called processing statements. Processing statements means these explains about these three things. These describe means explain. Describes about these three things to solve a problem. In order to solve a problem, what you have to do, when you have to do the task, how you have to perform the task. So it is called pre-processing statement, means it is simply the solution for the program. It is simply the solution for the given program, right? Note on this, my dear friends. If completed, please tell me.
Completed, sir.
Okay, good. Now see this sample program. Here I put one semicolon, am I right? This semicolon is nothing but a statement terminator. After each statement, we have to put a semicolon. So that is called statement terminator. What is the symbol? Semicolon is the symbol. First of all, what is the statement? A line of code is called a statement. Is called a statement. Or an instruction given to computer is called a statement. Is called a statement. An instruction given to computer is a statement, or a line of code you write, that is also a statement. Each statement must end with a semicolon. Each statement must end with semicolon. It is called statement terminator. Right. After main method, you put one curly bracket. No? It is used to indicate the beginning of the function. It is used to indicate the closing of the function. So it is called open delimiter. It is called closing delimiter. Limit is nothing but limit. Limit is nothing but it indicates the beginning and it indicates the ending. So it is called limiter. So one is open delimiter. Second one is closing delimiter. Open delimiter. What is this? What is the symbol for that?
Curly
Open
braces.
bracket. What is the use of this? It is used to indicate the beginning. The beginning of function or block. Block means a group of statements. The next one is closing delimiter. What is the symbol? Closing curly bracket. What is the use of this? It is used to indicate the ending of function or block. So note on this statement terminator, from statement terminator. Right. Note on from here. Raghu Kumar, how many sessions it will take to complete the batch means nearly it will take 37 to 37, I think. Right? So 45 to 50 days it will take. Raghu Kumar, is it clear? Good, good. Raghu Kumar, at the end I will show you. Okay. At the end of this class, I will show you. Fine. If completed, please tell me, my dear friends. After completion of writing, please tell me. Okay, none of Saket completed. Raghu is asking one question, sir. Can you show me the previous batch note? So we have one batch at 7 to 8 p.m. We have one batch and 6:10 to 7 p.m. Right? It is the 78 notes. So like this, I will explain. Data types, statement terminator, open delimiter, closing delimiter, comments, single line comment, multi-line comment, modifiers, variables, how to create the variables, what is the scope rules of variables, how to create constant identifiers, keywords, format specifiers, escape sequences, scanf, printf, some sample programs, operators, 9 types of operators are there. They're working. Let's say 5th type of operator. Right? From here, I explained some programs. Find the area of rectangle, find the area of circle. Okay. Find the sum of two numbers without using plus symbol. Sum of two numbers without using minus symbol. Big number between two numbers without using if and else. Small number between two numbers. Find the sum of n natural numbers. How to find the net salary of an employee. How to swap two numbers. Swapping of two numbers without using third variable. Swapping of two numbers using a single line of code. Convert the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Convert a lowercase character to uppercase character to lowercase character. Some control statements. What is if? These are the if programs. Nearly how many programs I explained? 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 25. 25 programs explained on if condition. Switch. On switch, I explained 8 programs I explained on switch. On while loop, I explained 13, 14, 15 programs I explained on while loop. On for loop, $11 programs I explained on for loops. On do while loop, I explained 2 programs. On go to, I explained 2 programs. On break statement also I explained 2 programs. On continue, I explained only 1 program. I go to the arrays. In this way, we explained, right? So these are the arrays concept. On one dimension array. I explained 9 programs. On 2D arrays, 2-dimension arrays means matrices. I explained the nine programs I explained. Now we are in strings concept. Strings also completed, I think. On strings, I explained 6 programs. Now we are in functions concept, right? Till now, we completed this. 136 pages of material I already covered, right? They have 10 more classes. Now, Raghu, is it clear to you? Raghu Kumar. Good, good. Now, my dear friends, if you have any doubt in today's class, you can ask, otherwise I will wind up the session. If you have any doubt in this class, you can ask, otherwise I am going to wind up the session. Ilyas, clear? Murthy, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Good, good.
Sir, I have a
So loading
query.
part. You can ask me.
Sir, you told me that we can write the void main function in 6 different forms. Can we use the void main function in any of the forms out of these 6?
It is third form, no? You can use.
Okay, okay.
I am
We
using
can
this
use-
one. Whenever you go to textbook, they will use this one.
Okay.
Anyone you can use, no problem at all, right? This one, why you are using this one, why you are using this one, we cannot ask you, right? We cannot question you. There are 6 models, you can use your own model, no problem.
And one more question is, I can use hash include stu.h in all the programs where I am using printf and scanf, right?
Yes. It is the compulsory statement at the beginning.
Okay,
You
okay.
have to begin with the hash include stdio.h, then void main. Your program will be changed. Only this part will be changed. Remaining is as it is.
Okay,
Clear?
okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, good. Any other doubts?
Sir, what is the exact difference between user-defined function and predefined function?
You have to define the user defined function means you need to define. According to your requirement, you have to write the code.
Okay,
System defined means it was already developed. It was already built in the system.
okay, okay.
You need not to develop. They are already developed, right?
Sir, can you give me an example for both of those functions?
So in your house, if you want to eat biryani, you need to cook, or you can bring from the hotel. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
You are bringing from the hotel. That is called a system defined function, built-in function.
Yes, sir.
You are making a cooking. That is called user defined function.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay.
Some functions are already developed in the system. Those are called built-in. Some
Okay.
functions are not developed. You need to write code. Those are called user defined.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay.
Any other doubt? Can I wind up?
Okay. Yes, sir. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Any other one? Want to ask anyone? Pujita, Vani, Sushil Yadav.
Sir, you said you'll create a WhatsApp group, sir.
Yes. Okay, I will create you. You paid the money, na, Pujita?
Yes, sir, I paid.
Okay. I will take the numbers from you. Today it's the time. No, tomorrow I can take.
Okay, sir, no problems. Thank you.
Okay, right.
Sir,
You
can we
already
share the number on the chat?
Tomorrow you can share, Murthy.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Those paid, those numbers only I require, right?
I also paid the fees, sir.
Okay, very good. I don't know who paid, who not paid. I don't know. Okay, very good. Very good.
Okay, sir. I will share the number on tomorrow. Okay.
Tomorrow when I ask, then you share me.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, right. Bye.